With us on Times Now, let's get you the latest update from the Parliament. What we can expect is a political showdown over FCRA bill. In fact, opposition MPs staged protest outside Makardwar. Take a look at this report.
Today, the opposition members are holding a protest against the FCRA amendment bill. You can see behind me that these are the Congress party and the other opposition party members who are being lined up here just in front of Makardwar. And there is a poster which they are also holding, which has stated, "Stop targeting NGOs and institutions." You can see behind me that not just the Congress party's MPs, but the other alliance partners, including Samajwadi Party, NCP, DMK, all of these leaders are also being present here just in support of the demands which are being raised by the Congress party regarding the FCRA bill. The allegation which they are making upon the government of India is that this is an imposition of an unconstitutional law which is being brought in by the government of India. They are saying that this is only to target the minorities in the state of Kerala, and that is the only reason why it has been made very clear by the opposition party and specifically the Congress party that they are going to hold a protest both outside as well as inside the house when this bill is going to be tabled. As you can see that they are also raising slogans that this kind of an imposition is not going to be allowed by the government of India, and the opposition is going to raise the voices for the minorities. However, they are also linking it with the Kerala Assembly election, stating that this bill is being brought in by the government of India at the time when many of the leaders are currently busy in campaigning in these election going states, and that is the only reason why in an emergency all the Congress MPs have been called to Delhi by the High Command, and today they are holding this protest currently at Makardwar, and this demand is going to be raised that this bill should be sent to the standing committee for further consultations regarding this entire matter.
Now, viewers, the Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2026, which was introduced in the Lok Sabha on 25th of March, has become the latest flashpoint between the centre and the opposition in Parliament. In fact, in Kerala, specifically, ruling left as well as the Congress have alleged that if this is passed, then this will target institutions of minority communities. And ahead of State Assembly election on April 9, both parties have hit out at the BJP over this bill. Centre, however, is saying that opposition is indulging in fear-mongering. Listen in.
There are some rumors spread by the Congress party and Communist party in Kerala that Government of India is bringing FCRA to stop the activities of various religious organizations. This is completely false, fabricated and misleading. The proposed FCRA amendment bill is only to regulate the flow of foreign funding to India, to check the misuse of any funds for illegal activities in the national interest, because there are certain money which illegally comes and used against national security. So for national interest, for national security, there is a proposed legislation. It is only amendment to regulate the flow of the funds. So I would strongly reject this kind of rumors spread by the Congress party and Communist party.
Now suddenly we notice that an FCRA bill has been brought in. And what is interesting is there is only one organization that can get money from abroad. No other organization can get money from abroad except the RSS. Mr. Modi can get finance from abroad through Mr. Adani, and the RSS can get finance from abroad. Nobody else can get it. What is so special about the RSS? That they have special rules for them? They spread hatred, they spread anger, they divide people. So that is the way the BJP functions. Everything is done for Mr. Adani and Mr. Ambani or for their political organization. We do not work simply for our organization. They don't care about the people, they only work for their organization.
The FCRA amendment is a draconian law which will come up in the parliament. There are hundreds of organizations, NGOs working in this country who have ended the operations or limited the operations after the 2014 amendment. A lot of restrictions are already in place. But unfortunately, the new amendment will make sure that once the renewal is not done by any bureaucrat, the government of India can take over the organizations, which is not happening.
सरकार जो भी बिल लाएगी वो देश की जनता के खिलाफ ही हो। आज तक जितने बिल आए कुछ पूंजीपतियों के पक्ष में और कुछ लोगों ने अपने पक्ष में कर लिए, लेकिन जनता के लिए एक भी बिल आज तक नहीं आया। उनको रेगुलेट करने के बहाने ये चंदा लिया करेंगे उनसे और उनका फर्जी दिखा देंगे कहाँ सही काम हुआ और क्या काम हुआ इनमें उनके जरिए।
सीआरए का बिल आ रहा है सरकार की तरफ से, क्या कहना है आपको उस बिल पर?
नहीं, वही सदन में कहेंगे जो कहना है।
और एविएशन फ्यूल के रेट बढ़ गए हैं, पर सरकार ने ये भी कहा है कि 100% इंक्रीज होगा, पर उसका सिर्फ 25% ही एयरलाइंस को ट्रांसफर होगा, वो भी स्ट्राइगर्ड अमाउंट में।
सरकार के पास कोई रोड मैप नहीं है इस वैश्विक समस्या से निपटने का। पूरी बयानबाजी है, महंगाई की मार और पेट्रोल डीजल गैस की किल्लत से जनता जूझ रही है। आगे आने वाले दिनों में ये समस्या और विकराल होती जाएगी और देश की आम जन को महंगाई की मार झेलनी पड़ेगी। बीजेपी तब भी मौज में रहेगी।
Let's now go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Niyamika, good morning. You just got us a report from, outside the Makar Dwar, where opposition MPs were holding a protest. Going by what we saw and what we heard, there can be confrontation expected today inside the House too.
Well, yes, indeed. That has been made very clear by the opposition members as we have spoken to several of the Congress MPs, and they had stated that this FCRA amendment bill is basically going to target the minorities, and that is the only intention of the BJP government at center to bring this bill in parliament, as they are basically stating that in Kerala, the Modi government is basically trying to target those NGOs or those organizations which have been affiliated by the minority communities through this bill, and that is the only reason why we have seen that today the opposition MPs have held a protest at Makar Dwar, stating that this is basically the RSS ideology which is being imposed upon the country by this government, and for that reason they have also stated that the similar kind of protest is going to be continued within the house as well. So a showdown can be expected when this bill is going to be introduced by the government regarding the amendments in the FCRA bill. But on the other side, the demand which the opposition is raising is that this bill should be sent to the standing committee for further consideration, for further consultation with the stakeholders, and that is what is being stated by many of the opposition MPs as well. But on the other side, the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has made a scathing attack upon the RSS, stating that there is a completely different rule in this country for the RSS, as they only spread hatred. Still, they are being allowed to get any kind of funding from the foreign organizations, but it is not being implied to any other organization or any other NGO in this country.
Thank you very much, Niyamika, for the moment, for joining us with those details.